Start by marking a clear reference line and snapping a single taut chalk line to establish the exact tile layout. For accurate ceramic tile chalk line snapping, begin by measuring from 2 fixed points and transfer those measurements to the floor so your line is square to the room. Use a carpenter square or measure from the same wall at consistent intervals to avoid wall irregularities, creating a crooked baseline. When preparing the chalk line, fill or shake the chalk box until powder flows freely and test a short snap to confirm coverage. Pull the line tight and hold it slightly elevated over the surface before snapping so the string strikes firmly and leaves a crisp line. For long runs, work with a helper who holds one end and keeps tension while you snap at the midpoint to prevent sag and double lines. Choose a chalk color that contrasts strongly with your tile and substrate so the line stays visible through dust and thinset application. Common mistakes include snapping a loose line that produces a fuzzy mark which causes tiles to drift off the intended alignment, so always pull the string taut and keep steady hand pressure when releasing it. Another issue is relying on a single reference from an uneven wall, which leads to cumulative error. So measure from opposite sides and use a square to confirm 90-degree angles. A third problem is using a faint chalk color that disappears once thinset is applied. So pick a bright color and consider re-snapping or using a pencil guide on edges just before setting tiles. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors who offer tile installation and related services, and our site also helps contractors find work by listing projects and leads. We host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from tradespeople and fellow homeowners.